Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the map pointing for this chapter, that is forest and wildlife. Last day we had begun this chapter, and in this chapter I had told you that there is a map pointing. I had told you that I would be sending an explanatory video showing the map pointing. So this is the map in your book, page number 37. This map, as you can see here, this is the map that we will be doing today. Okay, so this is the map that we will be doing today. This map we will be doing today. I will be sending you one example of the complete map pointing, and along with that I'm going to give you this video where I'm going to show you two different ways in which you can point this map. I will not show you all the 5 types of forest. I'll show you 2 types. In 2 different ways you can point them out. So let us begin. First and foremost, we'll be needing an outline map of India. This is an outline map of India. As you can see, it does not have any state divisions. There are no state division boundaries. So this map is called an outline map of India. This is the type of map you will be needing for this particular map pointing. Now, first, as you can recall, there are 5 types of forests. What are they? Rainforest, monsoon forest, thorn forest, mountain forest, and mangrove forest. In this particular map, I will be showing you 2 types. One is the rainforest and the other is the mountain forest. First, going to the mountain forest section, see mountain area, which is the mountain region of India. This northern region is the mountain region of India, right? So this region will be the mountain forest of India. So pointing out, first we have to demarcate it with a pencil, and very importantly, map pointing must be done in pencil and only pencil colors can be used. You are not supposed to do map pointing with pens or any other kind of color other than pencil colors. Pardon me. So first, pointing it out, we have the mountain region, that is this region. Then again here a little, the Sikkim section. Then again we have it from here. This is how we are going to point it out. So this section which I have covered up is the mountain region. Now, how you can demarcate this? One is with the use of color. You can directly color it like given in your book and point out what you indicate. Sorry. Or what you can do is use some kind of shading, like for this section, mountain section, mountain forest region, what I will like to do is I would like to draw lines and give a shading here. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. You can demarcate this whole section, but remember it has to be same. So for mountain region section, whatever you are pointing out should be of the same demarcation. If you are drawing horizontal lines, they all must be horizontal lines. If you are drawing vertical lines, they all must be vertical lines. So you have to remember that while you are demarcating this section. So that is the mountain region for you. Now, after you have pointed out, to indicate particularly what you are pointing out, you have to write it down, right? Here, you can't write. You can't demarcate the whole thing as mountain forest region with this particular point out. So what we can do is, here on the blank part where we are not going to write anything, or in your copies with proper question numbering, you can draw a small box like this. Okay, and this is the demarcation, that is horizontal lines, right? So horizontal lines, and write down mountain, 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 forest. So this is how you can demarcate the forest regions in a particular way. Other than that, you can also use another kind of demarcation. Now for this, I will be showing you the rainforest area. Now, rainforest area, as you can see, the rainforest area here, if you look at the book, this region here is the rainforest area, and apart from that, in the Ghat region also we have the rainforest area. Okay, so that is how we are going to demarcate the rainforest areas. Now, this rainforest area I'll be showing you with the help of colors. First, we are going to demarcate what the rainforest area here is. Okay, so this is the rainforest area here, and again we have some rainforest area here along the coast. So we are going to demarcate that along this coast. Then again here we have some rainforest area. Okay, so these are the three particular rainforest areas that we see. Now we can do this with the help of color. I have a green pencil color with me. Okay, deep green pencil color I have with me. So I will be using this deep green pencil color to demarcate the rainforest areas. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coloring this section. I'll be coloring this section to demarcate the rainforest area. Remember, it must be pencil color only. Okay, the color must be pencil color only. No other form of color must be used, because if you use any other form of color, that is going to spoil your map. Your map paper is very thin, so avoid spoiling your map paper with any other color usage. Now, so I have colored up this section. Now remaining part, I will color up this section. Okay, this section is done. Again, I have this section here to color up. I'm just showing it to you roughly, but when you are pointing it out, it must be completely filled. Okay, so I have tried to do my best. Now, I know you people are very good at drawing and you can do this map pointing very easily. So this is one way to show the type of forest. Now again, either in your answer sheet or copy and or in the map, you can point out. This is the box I'm going to draw. This is deep green in color. I'm going to do the deep green color here to indicate what I am showing, and then again write rainforest. So this is how you can point out in another way. One, I have shown you by the use of pencil shading. The other is by the use of color. You can do it either by pencil shading or by color. Either way. If you have colors, you can use colors. You can even use both. Like in the exam, when you're going to get map pointings, you will get multiple things to point, right? Not only one type of forest. You will get soil, you'll get forest, there will be other subject, other chapters which you will be reading. So there will be a mixture of topics. So that is why you can use the different techniques to point out the different things in one map. Now, one more thing, if you have seen here, I have written it in capital letters. Remember, when you are pointing out something in the map, you will write it out in capital letters, block letters. Okay. So, these are the two important things that you have to keep in mind while doing your map work. Actually, three important things. First is your map pointing should be in pencil. Second thing is do not use any color other than color pencils. And third thing is you have to write in block letters. And this is known as the key of the map. Okay, this is known as the key of the map. Key. What does the key do? The key tells us what we are indicating on the map. So this is how you are going to do your map pointing. This is just a short demonstration video for you, and I will be sending a complete map on the soil with this for example. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you and bye bye.